Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel, where today we take you inside the future of luxury, travel, an absolute masterpiece that will leave you speechless. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a $5 million palace on wheels, blending cutting-edge innovation with a lifestyle most people can only dream about. Get ready, because what you're about to see will completely redefine what it means to live on the road. The moment you lay eyes on this 2026 luxury motorhome, the sheer size and elegance strike you. Its sleek aerodynamic design doesn't just look futuristic, it maximizes efficiency on the highway. But it's when you step inside that the real magic begins. You're greeted by a living area that feels more like a private penthouse suite than a vehicle. Plush leather seating, ambient LED lighting, and panoramic smart windows that tint automatically for privacy create an atmosphere of pure sophistication. The space is open, modern, and dripping with luxury in every detail. Just a few steps further, the entertainment system takes things to another level. An ultra-thin 8K OLED screen, immersive surround sound, and even a retractable VR setup for next-level gaming or virtual cinema nights. Imagine pulling up to a quiet mountain view and watching a blockbuster in full cinematic quality, right from your own motorhome. The kitchen is a chef's dream, fully equipped with state-of-the-art smart appliances, marble countertops, induction cooking, and a wine storage system that automatically adjusts to keep your collection at the perfect temperature. Cooking here doesn't feel like travel. Food, it feels like gourmet dining every single day. Moving into the bedroom, this is where the motorhome truly feels like a 5-star hotel suite. A king-size bed with memory gel technology, mood lighting, and a ceiling that turns into a digital skylight at the touch of a button. Whether you want to sleep under the stars or wake up to a sunrise simulation, this motorhome makes it possible. The bathroom is another marvel, featuring a rainfall shower, heated marble floors, a smart vanity with built-in skincare tech, and even a compact spa system. It's like having a private wellness retreat with you, wherever you go. And of course, the driver's cockpit is just as impressive. AI-assisted driving, a panoramic digital dashboard, and autonomous mode for long hauls mean you can relax while your luxury palace practically drives itself. This isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. A home, a hotel, a private jet, and a luxury resort combined into one breathtaking machine. The 2026 $5 million motorhome proves that the future of travel isn't about the destination, it's about living in ultimate comfort while getting there. So would you take your life on the road if it looked like this? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Auto Plus for more jaw-dropping reviews of the world's most amazing machines.